Okay, the next question is, describe a time when you worked with cross-functional teams to deploy a machine learning model. What challenges did you face, and how did you overcome them? Here's a good answer. In a previous role, I was developing a fraud detection model to be integrated into a real-time transaction processing system. This project required close collaboration with data engineers, back-end developers, and product managers to ensure that the model would operate effectively in production without slowing down transaction speed. As the machine learning engineer, my primary responsibility was to build the model and ensure it could function efficiently in a real-time production environment. I needed to communicate with other teams to address issues like latency, data processing requirements, and how the model would fit within the existing architecture. I started by meeting with the back-end developers to understand the system constraints and the latency requirements for real-time processing. I learned that we needed to keep the model's inference time under 50 milliseconds to avoid impacting transaction speed. To achieve this, I worked with the data engineering team to optimize data pipelines and reduce processing overhead. I also worked with back-end developers to implement efficient model serving techniques using a lightweight API that allowed quick access to the model during transaction processing. Additionally, I kept the product manager in the loop by explaining our progress and ensuring the solution met business requirements. Through our combined efforts, we successfully deployed the model with an average inference time of 45 milliseconds, well within our target. The fraud detection accuracy improved significantly, and the model helped reduce fraudulent transactions by 30% within the first quarter. This experience taught me the importance of early and frequent collaboration with cross-functional teams and how understanding each team's needs can lead to a more robust solution. Why this works? It should work well because 1. Shows cross-functional collaboration. You emphasize the importance of working with different teams to meet technical and business requirements, which is key to successful deployment. 2. Demonstrates technical problem solving. You describe specific challenges like latency requirements and optimizing data pipelines, showing your technical understanding and proactive approach to solving them. 3. Focuses on impactful results and metrics. You provide measurable outcomes like reduced fraud and inference time, which showcase the effectiveness of your approach and its business impact. 4. Reflects on the learning experience. By noting what you learned, you show that you're continually improving your skills and approach. What you should avoid saying. 1. Avoid downplaying other teams' contributions. Don't say, "I mostly handled everything myself." This can come across as dismissive of other teams' roles and might indicate poor collaboration. 2. Avoid focusing only on technical aspects. Avoid saying, "I just focused on coding and left the rest to other teams." This approach might suggest a lack of ownership over the end-to-end deployment process. 3. No clear outcome or business impact. Don't leave out the results. Saying, "We deployed the model," without mentioning its impact misses an opportunity to show how your work contributed to the company's success. 4. Avoid blaming teams for delays or issues. Don't imply that other teams were obstacles, as this may reflect poorly on your teamwork skills. Instead, frame challenges constructively. Thanks for watching. For more tech interview questions, please go to bowsiate.com.